ECE Illinois professor Linford Goddard is bringing new access to science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM, to students in schools across the state of Illinois.
Exposing our students to STEM pathways is very important.
The access we found in these tech supply boxes and from trainings like this one, which include counselors and educators who are being trained on STEM learning experiences at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign.
This will have a tremendous impact because even the teachers are exposed to what the students can be doing, and they'll be able to take it back and share with the students what they can do.
It's through a new initiative called CISTEME365, or Catalyzing Inclusive STEM Experience, funded by the National Science Foundation.
These are not always opportunities that are available to all students, and so being able to see some of these more advanced topics, be able to interact with technology in a learning environment is one of the major things that we want to study.
The project aims to help 1,000 underrepresented and low-income students gain exposure and hands-on experience in the STEM field.
Students see a lot of other people that don't look like them succeeding at great careers, but they don't see themselves. And that lack of connection makes them think like, well, they can do that, but I can't because I don't look like that or I don't have the resources.
The team study will also go one step further. They'll study the direct impact this increased access to STEM learning has on the students and their educators.
We want to understand if we have these STEM clubs, if we have these scholarship opportunities for students to come to an engineering or science camp, how does that impact what's called their self-efficacy, which is their belief in themselves to be able to do certain tasks.
Representatives from participating schools from across Illinois underwent training during this 10-day summer institute at the University of Illinois Electrical and Computer Engineering Building.
This $1.2 million grant seeks innovative strategies for us to partner with schools so that they can launch STEM clubs.
Members of this group make up the initiative's IDEA teams. The acronym IDEA stands for Inclusion, Diversity, Equity, and Access. These teams are made up of counselors, educators, and out-of-school activity coordinators who are passionate about bringing STEM programming to the students they work with.
We had one teacher today talking about how they don't have any programs like this currently in their Urbana high school, and how he really wants to bring it back to his students, people of all backgrounds interested in math, science, or not.
Once they're back at their respective schools, they'll receive sets of these boxes, supply kits, many put together by Professor Goddard himself. Stephanie Miller believes this will open her students' eyes to more careers.
For someone who may be interested in something as simple as maybe polishing their nails, but understanding how even the nail polish component is chemical engineering.
So what we'll do
From here, they'll take what they've learned and set up STEM clubs, setting the stage to inspire the next generation of science, technology, engineering, and math experts.
Learning that engineering is for all people of all ages, all backgrounds. And so for me, it's important to reach out to younger students early on to let them know, hey, this is just fun. Maybe you won't go into it full time, but this is just something to learn and have fun with your friends with.